Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar finished in grey. This 2023 model comes with a 2-litre P250 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 22-inch alloy wheels with the 10 split-spoke alloy wheel design in gloss black. There is a very practical 560 litres of usable boot space in this car, allowing for larger items to fit in with ease. There is also an adjustable parcel shelf, and the boot can be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the black ebony perforated Windsor leather seats with the matching ebony interior. Both the rear seats do include ISOFIX points, and there is an armrest which, when folded down, will reveal 2 exposed cup holders. And the backseat passengers can utilise their very own climate control system found on the centre console with a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the black ebony leather interior. There's the panoramic sunroof which lets lots of light into the cabin, and the same perforated Windsor leather seats as seen in the back with additional side support and electronic adjustments. Taking a closer look at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, we can find the controls on the left for the voice control as well as volume, and on the right the cruise control as well as the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit does include different driving display options, including display layouts with 1 and 2 dial as well as map. Taking a closer look at the main infotainment system, we will find satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can also use radio with FM and DAB, as well as standard Bluetooth connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are also located here as well, which do have varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. And by pressing the camera button down here, we can access the rear view parking camera to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below the infotainment system, there is a retractable flap which does include a place to store your phone as well as a USB-C charger. The automatic gear selector fits comfortably in the hand and glides effortlessly through the different gear options. There is also 2 exposed cup holders, and the leather-wrapped armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket inside with more USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.